It's minimal. You don't have to really do anything to it. You just bang it out of the package, flip it on your head. Let's see if I look like a grandma. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, wagwan. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Well, if you're new, welcome for passing through. Welcome, welcome. Why don't you join the family? And if you're old, you're an old subscriber. Wagwan. Thanks for coming back. So today I'm gonna try a synthetic hair, and it's from Shein. The other day I tried a blonde, it didn't suit me, so today I'm gonna try this one. And guess what? I'm not fooled. It's a synthetic hair. It's a not even one day. It's a short time thing. It's not a long time thing. So let me try. You don't have to do it. It's minimal. You don't have to really do anything to it. You just bang it out of the package, flip it on your head. Let's see if I look like a grandma or if I look good. Oh, God. No, sir. Let's see. Hold on. Let me adjust it. What do you think, guys? Oh. Hold on. Let's see. Come on. So, this thing will give me trouble. So that's the back. Let's see. Okay, it's getting there. So I guess the side is short and all right. Not looking bad. What do you think, guys? I know it can go on though. I give it like 6 out of 10. It's not too bad. Maybe if I have some lashes, it will look better on my face, but this is my Shein synthetic wig. Thanks for watching. See ya!